Hey guys, Ben Rauschenbach here. Welcome to my woodworking journey, and today we are going to build a little storage cabinet here for my automotive and yard stuff, trying to get that out of the shop. Real quickly, it's just a 6-foot long cabinet, 2 foot high. Got doors on each side here. This is kind of the automotive side, and then over here we have the landscaping stuff. And keeps all the chemicals up out of the little kids' way and safe and what have you. Fun little project, cost about 50 bucks to make. Let's get started. The first thing I need to do to make my storage cabinet back here is to rip this 1/2-inch sheet of plywood into 4 12-inch sections, create a little stop block here to help make the process go a little quicker. And I'm going to rip the sheets down. So now that I've got my sheets milled to thickness, I'm going to start cutting them to the size. The first is going to be the top and bottom of the cabinet. Cut those both at the same time, and they're 6 foot long. Alright, next is to cut the 2 sides to 2 foot in length. So let's get on that. Okay, so now I've got the top and the bottom and the 2 sides. I'm going to make the 2 internal parts. Alright, now I'm going to cut the 3 internal shelves. Alright, for the last 20 minutes or so I've just been pocket holing my bits here, and I'm going to finish up my last row. Alright, I've started the carcass construction here. I've got the tops, bottoms, and sides on, and now I'm putting the internal supports in, and I'm just using the shelf for a guide. I've got a shelf on the top and bottom, using that for a guide, so I'm going to carry on with the assembly here. Alright, I wanted to show a quick little trick I've been using here to assemble this carcass. Most of my shelves were going to be exactly half the distance from top to bottom here, so I created a little block, set that in here, and that helped me just put the shelves exactly at the 1/2-inch mark, so to speak, of this shelf. But some of the items that I was putting in here weren't going to fit, so I created a couple of more storage sticks here, so to speak, and I'll be using those to put in the last set of shelves. Okay, now I'm just attaching the French cleat to the back. Hoping maybe you'll be able to hear me over the sound of the ice cream man, and I guess that's appropriate. It is March, but it's still kind of cold outside. Just putting on the last back support here. Enjoy the music. Alright, I've laid out for my 2 doors, and I'm going to slice those down now. Alright, got the carcass done, doors cut out here, and now I'm installing them. Okay, now I'm just installing this French cleat. Alright, now I'm just going to put on the doorknobs. Alright, now all that's left to do is to fill this bad boy up. Okay guys, that completes the little storage project. Got everything dialed in here, real happy with the way it turned out. Fun little project, only took about a day to build. And appreciate you watching. Hope you'll subscribe to my channel because I got a lot more things coming. See you next time.